When one person wrongfully damages another person's property, the injured person may recover the full costs of restoration as damages, that is, the costs of repairing or restoring the property to the condition it was in before the accident. But what if restoration costs exceed the property's pre-harm market value? The Louisiana Supreme Court considered this question in Roman Catholic Church of the Archdiocese of New Orleans versus Louisiana Gas Service Company. In 1981, the Roman Catholic Church of the Archdiocese of New Orleans purchased a 13-building apartment complex in Marrero, Louisiana, from the Department of Housing and Urban Development for $1.7 million. The sale was conditioned on the church's use of the complex as low-income rental housing for 15 years. At the time, the Louisiana Gas Service Company supplied natural gas to the complex's units. On Christmas Eve of 1983, Louisiana Gas's natural gas regulating equipment malfunctioned and eventually caused a fire in Building 3. Following the fire, the church restored the building to its pre-fire condition. After spending more than $232,000 for the costs of repairs, the church sued Louisiana Gas in state district court for damages. The case went to a bench trial solely on the issue of damages. At trial, the court found that the church's restoration costs exceeded the value of the building before the fire. The court then held that the church could only recover the amount needed to restore the building to its pre-fire condition, reduced by depreciation. The church appealed the damages award with the depreciation adjustment to the Court of Appeal, which affirmed. The Louisiana Supreme Court granted cert.